For the first time, a solar-powered plane has crossed the Atlantic Ocean without using fossil fuel. The Solar Impulse 2 landed in Spain today, 3 days after taking off from New York. As Eric Sorensen explains, what was once thought to be impossible is now a reality.
It is like a UFO. Few recognize it when they first see it. It even sounds otherworldly. The Solar Impulse, powered by 17,000 solar cells, is unlike anything that has flown long distances before.
Okay, so I am 200 feet.
Wider than a 747, lighter than a car. It flies at 80 kilometers an hour. The pilots alternate flying each leg.
During this entire flight, I had only moments of joy, and even airplanes passing by and saying on the ATC frequency, "Wow, your plane is beautiful, what is it?"
What it is an airplane that shows what future air travel may look like. Yes, it's almost as wide as a football field is long with just one seat. But just as the Wright brothers couldn't carry passengers, Solar Impulse represents the first steps in solar-powered flight. And to prove its potential, they began flying it around the world, from Abu Dhabi last year, with stops in India and China, then across the vast Pacific. Remember, it has no fuel. It then was on to the United States, hopscotched across America, powered only by the sun. And now it has crossed its last ocean, the Atlantic. Not much further to go.